The natural world is home to an astonishing variety of creatures, from the largest mammals to the smallest insects. While many species thrive in abundance, others are far rarer and exist on the edge of extinction. These rare animals often capture our attention due to their unique characteristics, their unusual habitats, or their vulnerability to human activity and environmental changes. Today, we embark on a journey to the far corners of the Earth to explore the lives of some of the rarest animals in the world. From the dense forests of the Russian Far East to the islands of New Zealand, we will encounter creatures that are both awe-inspiring and deeply vulnerable. Join me as we delve into the lives of these extraordinary animals, highlighting their distinctive traits, their precarious conservation status, and the importance of preserving them for generations to come. Our journey begins in the Russian Far East, a land of vast forests and rugged mountains. It is here, amidst the snow-dusted trees, that we find one of the most endangered big cats on the planet, the Amur leopard. This elusive predator, a subspecies of the leopard, is a master of camouflage, its thick pale fur blending seamlessly with the snowy landscape. Fewer than 100 Amur leopards are thought to remain in the wild, their numbers decimated by habitat loss, poaching, and the depletion of their prey. These leopards are solitary creatures, fiercely territorial and perfectly adapted to the harsh conditions of their environment. Their powerful limbs allow them to navigate the snowy terrain with ease, while their keen senses make them formidable hunters. The Amur leopard's survival hinges on our ability to protect its remaining habitat and combat the threats it faces. Conservation efforts are underway, with anti-poaching patrols working tirelessly to protect these elusive cats from illegal hunting. Habitat restoration projects are also crucial, aiming to reconnect fragmented forests and provide the leopards with the space they need to thrive. The fate of the Amur leopard hangs in the balance, a stark reminder of the fragility of life on Earth. But there is hope. With continued conservation efforts and the support of people around the world, we can help ensure that this magnificent creature continues to roam the forests of the Russian Far East for generations to come. Our next journey takes us to the warm waters of the Gulf of California, home to a creature so rare it is often called the panda of the sea, the vaquita. This small porpoise, distinguished by its dark eye patches and small curved dorsal fin, is critically endangered, with fewer than 10 individuals believed to remain. The vaquita's decline is a tragic tale of unintended consequences. They often become entangled and drown in gill nets, large fishing nets used to catch fish and shrimp. While these nets are not intended to catch vaquitas, the porpoises often become trapped and are unable to escape. The plight of the vaquita is further complicated by the illegal trade in totoaba fish, another endangered species found in the Gulf of California. Totoaba swim bladders are highly valued in some cultures, leading to rampant poaching and accidental bycatch of vaquitas. Despite the challenges, conservationists remain dedicated to saving the vaquita from extinction. Stricter fishing regulations, increased enforcement efforts, and the development of alternative fishing gear are all crucial steps in the fight to protect this critically endangered porpoise. The vaquita's future remains uncertain, but its story serves as a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of life in our oceans. Only through collaborative efforts and a shared commitment to conservation can we hope to prevent the extinction of this remarkable creature. We journey now to the dense rainforests of Java, Indonesia, home to a creature as ancient as it is endangered, the Javan rhinoceros. This solitary giant, with its distinctive armor-like skin and single horn, is one of the rarest large mammals on Earth. Fewer than 75 Javan rhinos are thought to survive in the wild, all confined to a single protected area, Ujung Kulon National Park. Here, amidst the lush vegetation and volcanic hot springs, these magnificent creatures eke out a precarious existence. The Javan rhino's decline is a tragic tale of habitat loss and poaching. As human populations have grown, the rhino's once vast forest home has been converted to farmland and settlements, leaving the species with little room to roam. The rhino's horn, highly valued in some cultures for its purported medicinal properties, has also made it a target for poachers. Despite the challenges, there is hope for the Javan rhino. The Indonesian government, along with conservation organizations, is working tirelessly to protect the remaining population. Anti-poaching patrols are vigilant in their efforts to deter illegal hunting, while habitat restoration projects aim to expand the rhino's dwindling territory. The Javan rhino's survival is a testament to the power of dedicated conservation efforts. By working together, we can ensure that this ancient species continues to roam the forests of Java for generations to come. Chapter 4. Our journey takes us now to the island nation of New Zealand, a land of unique and wondrous creatures. Here, amidst the ferns and moss-covered trees, we encounter a bird unlike any other, the kakapo. This flightless nocturnal parrot with its emerald green plumage and owl-like face is a true oddity of the avian world. The kakapo is critically endangered, with only around 250 individuals remaining. Their decline is a stark reminder of the devastating impact invasive species can have on fragile ecosystems. The arrival of rats, stoats and cats to New Zealand proved disastrous for the kakapo, which had evolved no natural defenses against these predators. The kakapo's plight is further complicated by its unusual breeding habits. These parrots are lek breeders, meaning males gather in groups to perform elaborate courtship displays to attract females. However, kakapo breeding is infrequent and heavily reliant on the availability of certain foods, making it difficult for their populations to recover quickly. Despite the challenges, conservationists are working tirelessly to save the kakapo from extinction. Intensive management programs, including predator control, supplementary feeding, and artificial incubation, have been implemented to boost kakapo numbers. The kakapo's story is a testament to the importance of conservation and the ingenuity of those dedicated to saving endangered species. With continued effort and a touch of luck, this eccentric parrot may yet thrive once more in the forests of New Zealand. Chapter 5. Our pursuit of rarity now takes us deep into the Annamite Mountains, a rugged and biodiverse region straddling the border of Vietnam and Laos. Here, amidst the dense foliage and mist-shrouded peaks, roams one of the most elusive creatures on Earth, the saola. Discovered only in 1992, the saola, with its striking, long, straight horns, has been dubbed the Asian unicorn for its rarity and the air of mystery that surrounds it. Very little is known about this elusive creature, which is so rare that scientists have only documented it in the wild a handful of times. The saola's secretive nature and the remoteness of its habitat make it incredibly difficult to study and protect. Habitat loss due to deforestation and hunting, both for subsistence and the illegal wildlife trade, are the primary threats facing this enigmatic creature. Despite the challenges, conservationists are working tirelessly to learn more about the saola and develop effective conservation strategies. Camera traps, carefully placed in the saola's forest home, offer a glimpse into its secretive life, while anti-poaching patrols work to combat illegal hunting. The saola's story is a reminder that there are still mysteries to be uncovered in the natural world, and that even the rarest of creatures can capture our imagination and inspire us to protect them. Chapter 6. Our final journey takes us to the ancient waterways of Mexico, to the remnants of a once vast lake system near Mexico City. Here, in the murky depths, we find a creature that seems to defy the rules of nature, the axolotl. This unusual salamander, with its feathery gills and permanent smile, possesses an extraordinary ability. It can regenerate lost limbs, sections of its spinal cord, and even parts of its heart and brain. This remarkable ability has made the axolotl a subject of fascination for scientists and a popular pet around the world. Sadly, the axolotl's remarkable resilience does not protect it from the threats posed by human activity. Habitat loss due to urbanization, pollution from agricultural runoff and industrial waste, and the introduction of invasive species have pushed the axolotl to the brink of extinction in the wild. Fewer than 50 axolotls are estimated to remain in their natural habitat, their numbers dwindling as their watery home disappears. However, hope remains for this enigmatic creature. Conservationists are working to restore sections of the axolotl's habitat and establish captive breeding programs to safeguard the species' future. Public awareness campaigns are also crucial, highlighting the plight of the axolotl and encouraging people to support conservation efforts. The axolotl, with its permanent smile and remarkable regenerative abilities, is a reminder that even in the face of adversity, nature can surprise and inspire us. By working together, we can ensure that this unique creature continues to enchant us for generations to come. The rarest animals in the world, from the elusive Amur leopard to the enigmatic saola, represent some of the most unique and precious creatures on Earth. These animals are not just important for their biodiversity, but also serve as a reminder of the fragile balance that sustains life on our planet. Conservation efforts are essential to ensure that these rare species do not disappear forever. Whether through habitat protection, anti-poaching laws, or captive breeding programs, it is crucial that we work to protect these extraordinary creatures before they become nothing more than memories. The fate of these animals lies in our hands, and it is our responsibility to ensure their survival for future generations to appreciate and admire. By supporting conservation organizations, raising awareness, and making conscious choices in our daily lives, we can all play a part in protecting the rarest of the rare and preserving the wonders of the natural world.